Did you know that France once built a network of giant mechanical arms that could send a message from Paris to Lille over 200 kilometers in under 9 minutes? 556 towers, each one a human operator pulling levers, moving wooden arms into shapes, spelling words across the open sky. And here's the strange part. Anyone watching with a spyglass could read every single message. War orders, state secrets, love letters, all of it written in gestures big enough to see from a mountain. Now imagine that network never died. Imagine it spread. Every rooftop, every ridgeline, every hilltop carrying a station. The whole world becoming one enormous living alphabet, arms turning and tilting from Tokyo to Buenos Aires, spelling out a civilization in motion. No hidden wires, no invisible signals, just bodies of wood and iron, writing in plain sight for anyone who knew how to look. The electrical wire arrived in the 1840s and erased all of it almost overnight. But for a moment, the sky itself was the message.